Okay, number 9. Again, whenever we're trying to find an HO and an HA, you remember that HO is always equal to. So therefore it can't be C or it can't be D. Alright? And so now our choices are, when we look at HA, not equal to or less than. And we're talking about a skinfold being less. We didn't say that it was different, we said that it was less. So the answer is A. Okay, now here's number 10. They gave us an interval, and this time it's just like that proportional one, but this time it's with means. So I have 1022 and then 1063, and in the middle is my mean, and the distance between the two is the same. So this is, again, you just find the average. So I just add these guys up. 1022.90. So I get 0, 0, 1. I get 6. I get 802. Now I divide by 2, and so I get 1043. So the answer is C. Okay, here, are girls more likely to enroll in classes than boys? Find a 99% confidence interval. Okay, so you're going to go to a 2 means confidence interval, and my mean 1 is equal to 3.42. My standard deviation of 1 is 1.49. My N1 is equal to 203. And do you see that this is my X bar 2, this is my S2, and this is my N2. And so I'm just going to go put these into the calculator and get my answer. So just a second. Now remember, we never pool, all right? So it's 0.6426 to 1.35, okay? Okay, now this is a paired t-test, and they want us to find the p-value, okay? And I forgot to give you some keywords to find HA, and so I think just to make it easier, especially since this is the first one on the calculator, we just want to find the difference. So remember, when you do one paired t-test, it's doing a one means test, all right? So this is your mean, this is your standard deviation, and this is your N. Okay, just a second, I'm going to go to my calculator. Okay, and when you do this, you need to remember that for these guys, it's always equal to 0, all right? So you had to put 0 in for mu naught. Okay, so my p-value is going to be 0.9901. Okay, now here Alan wanted to know his favorite color. Hopefully you realize that this is going to be a chi-square, and the chi-square degrees of freedom is going to be r minus 1 times columns minus 1. Now it doesn't matter which rows or columns, but we have a choice of music, and we have a choice of t-shirt colors, right? Okay, so t-shirt colors, 1, 2, 3, 4. Music, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to be 4 minus 1 times 4 minus 1, which is 3 times 3, which is 9. So the answer to number 13 is 9.